Hello everyone, welcome to the first video on my channel, Airdrop Alarm. In today's video we will be covering the newly started ZKasino Airdrop and how you can easily get tokens just by doing simple requirements. First of all, I will be giving a brief overview on what ZKasino is. ZKasino is a fully decentralized on-chain casino. Most redeeming qualities are the fact that they have a low house edge. They require no KIC, and they are probably fair due to the fact that the odds are displayed publicly in smart contracts. They have a Discord with active admins and great support. Now, onto actually redeeming the ZKasino tokens through the airdrop. It's a really simple and fast process. Go onto our website and press Airdrops and Bounties. There you will find all of the active airdrops. And at the top you should be able to see the ZKasino 1. Go ahead and press Claim Now, and you will be redirected to the ZKasino page. Scroll down to where it says how to claim your reward and follow the instructions. You will have to follow them on Twitter, tweet about them, join their Telegram group. Simple community tasks like those, subscribe to the Airdrop Alarm newsletter, and then continue with step 3 to claim these Zcas tokens. You only need to connect your wallet and then press on Claim Reward and sign twice in order to use the smart contract. There is no fee except for the Ethereum gas fee, so it might cost you $2 to $5 depending on how much the Ethereum gas fees are. Visit the How to Claim page right above if you are unsure on what to do. There are simple instructions to follow there. You can continue to do this with all of the other airdrops if you want. That will be it for today's video. I thank you all who watched through to the end, and I'm happy to announce that I will be publishing more and more content soon.